I got into cars. My dad raced when I was real young, before I was born and stuff, so we always had the photo albums of, the race cars and all that, and always something, we went to the speedway, the local speedway. For me, that's Oxford Plains Speedway. I think a lot of us always grew up going with our families to the racetrack. When I turned 14, I had a passion for going fast and more so computers and stuff, and we ended up building our first enduro car for Oxford Plains Speedway. My dad was supposed to drive it. We got to the racetrack, and instead of him getting in it, I got in it, and my mom yelled at him a lot, and I started racing. That was my first race. It was Halloween on Wheels, 1999, I believe. And right before I turned 16 years old, we had that car out on the racetrack, did a few enduro events, and we decided to build a Wednesday night car for Oxford Plains Speedway. It's when I started really getting into modifying and building and learning more about how everything of a car works. And then I went off to college and really learned what kind I wanted to be in for a career path. And I don't want to work in a dealership or a shop that just does normal repairs and stuff. I want to modify cars. I want to make stuff your own. Personalization is huge for me. So that's kind of how we got to where we are now. I graduated high school from Poland Regional High School in Poland, Maine. I also got a certificate for completion of Lewiston Regional Technical Center in the automotive program. I also finished third place 2003 in the Skills VICA USA competition for the state of Maine. Had a lot of diagnostic stuff that I learned there. From there, I got a scholarship to go to University of Northwestern Ohio, Lima, Ohio. Did the high performance automotive technician program with that school. Really learned a lot. UNOH wasn't at all then what it is now, and it's really come to a really awesome racing school, but they had some cool high performance things that we did in class. Build your own motors, build your own cars, work on your own stuff. So we did a lot of that. Really happy with the University of Northwestern Ohio. You obviously never stop learning. I've done a lot of update seminars and update classes and continue to expand the knowledge about what's new and upcoming for Turn 4 Automotive. I guess to look at Turn 4 Automotive, you kind of have to look at a couple different businesses. Hypnotic Automotive Specialties was a business I started out of my parents' garage when I returned from college. Did that on the side and met some people and did some work and kind of got my feet wet in the automotive performance realm. I then continued to do race cars and promote the Northeast Mini Stock Tour as my full-time job for a number of years, getting out of the personalization game. Really out of the automotive game as far as working on people's cars and modifying them, until I went to work for my really good friend Mike Twist at Twist Family Motors. When Twist Family Motors went out of business, I was able to acquire some of the materials from that shop, including the automotive lift and some of the racks and cabinetry and things like that. And then it was kind of on my own to find a place to put it. So we put all that in place here at 142 Portland Road in Gray. We opened up this shop. It was available for rent, 40 by 40, 1,600 square foot shop, which is great to start out in. Really good place here, a lot of traffic on the road. And Turn 4 Automotive began as just a simple repair shop that was selling used tires and doing brake jobs and exhaust. But we always had a vision of where we wanted Turn 4 to go. We wanted Turn 4 to be the place to come to get your racing gear or to modify your car, kind of a one-stop shop type deal. And I feel that we've kind of grown into that. We've taken really small steps. We've had really good progress. I'd like to thank our vendors that deal with us on a daily basis. They've really helped us grow to what we are today. lots of distribution help and everything from drop shipping to getting stuff here overnight if our customers need it, and really able to touch on all aspects of vehicles, from sport compacts to trucks to diesel to off-road, and as well as muscle cars. I guess in the beginning, I always wanted a nice all-around vehicle I could just drive around, and I mean, now the sky's the limit. You feel like you have to have a different car for every aspect to go through life. You know, we were talking today about how we want to build Project 2K Focus into a SCCA racer, so that project's gonna kick into full gear here. We're gonna continue with the roll cage and that and expand it a little bit further. But really, it's just made me love cars, made me hate some cars a lot more, but made me love others quite a bit as well. Cars are a passion for many people, and it's great when you sit down with a customer and figure out what they want to do for a build list, and you see what really makes them tick. Being able to expand on what has, you know, brought them to this situation to have that car. You know, it's not always about having the fastest or the best handling. It's, you know, a lot of dedication and a lot of personality goes into a lot of these vehicles. We have cars that come in here that 90% of people wouldn't want to own, but that person that owns it absolutely loves that car and would do anything to make it the best for them. But we're happy that we can provide them a place here at Turn 4 Automotive that we can help them out and build the car of their dreams for hopefully a budget they can afford and something they can keep for a long time. I've expanded my knowledge of vehicles greatly working here and meeting the customers and getting to know people as well, and I'm real happy with the commercial relationships we have. You know, we bought our Nissan Skyline. We have a really close working relationship with Northeast Auto Imports out of New Hampshire, as well as, we said before, all the distribution companies that help us out. So we really have a full grasp of whatever we need to handle any project here at Turn 4 Automotive and Performance. Sky's the limit here at Turn 4. I mean, if you would have asked me 3 years ago where we'd be now, I don't think this is anything that I would have had envisioned. We've grown so much, and it's been really good to be there for our customers and for the whole region. Not only helping with performance modifications, but we're keeping people safe with our relationship with Nokia and Snow Tires, and really keeping the whole region with general good quality automotive repair. We're able to look to the future. We got our new website up and going, turn4auto.com, this year. We plan to expand that greatly over the next 12 months and really see what the internet holds for the future of Turn 4. We can only do so much within these walls here, but you know, a lot of car shows, a lot of race events. We're sponsoring a lot more race cars, race events, race shows. We're really going to build up the support of the community, as well as being a part of it to bring your car to, or to get outfitted and do whatever you need to do. So we want to give back as much as we take from the community, and we're thankful that for all the support that all of our drivers and teams give us in the racing aspect, as well as all our customers on the road as well. We wouldn't be here without you guys, and we want to give back as much as we can. And if there's anything that you want to purchase or feel that we should stock in-house here at Turn 4, just shoot us a message or leave a comment below, and we'll keep some more of that stuff on hand to make it easier for you guys to do your thing as well. Bob Guptill, give us a like, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you soon.